okay. No, it's okay. You don't. We do what we can. It's not something
Yeah.
that's supposed to add
Yeah, I
stress.
don't
It's
wanna
a
add
moment.
and I feel
No.
sometimes stressed, I said, oh, I gotta take advantage of it, cause,
No, no,
but
no. It's a moment. Why? Why? No, no, no. You don't
I'm
need to.
taking it, and every class I enjoy it more and more.
You see, no. There's
And I
no
watch the
reason.
videos.
Ah.
And I watch them because, then I watch what I'm doing wrong, and I see a few things, but some things I can't correct.
Oh yeah. What did you see? We're
I
live
don't
now. What
stand
did you?
straight, I don't stand straight, the
Okay.
gun, the first video was the gun.
Okay. Okay.
The second one was my hair, and I have to go.
So you fix as you go. Look at that.
Shoes today.
Okay.
I bought dancing shoes, but they were way too tight. I don't know what they were, but they're very floppy. They're some sort of, I'm not sure what they were. I bought them.
Okay.
They're made very tight, tiny, and they're like
But
leather here.
no, you have to
With
be
a heel.
comfortable because shoes you try them on, you try different styles, different sizes.
Yeah.
You have to be comfortable.
Yeah.
It's not true that okay, you take it tight and it's gonna loosen up. Maybe sometimes a little bit, but when you buy them, you try them, you walk around with them, you try to move, you have to be comfortable
Super.
right there.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
if you're not, it's not gonna be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Like
doesn't.
these, I'm comfortable, but they're not dancing shoes. And maybe
Yeah.
at the bottom, it's not quite the right thing. But we'll get there, we'll get there. Every time there's a little improvement. And my posture, I find my posture, and that's yoga starts to fix.
The posture, yeah.
My father used to always, he's a doctor, he used to always say, make sure that he put these up. That's all you have to do. Don't break up my father. So just make sure these two bones up. 1 inch.
Okay. Okay. Well, when we dance, that's one of the things I thought we put, yes, we put the chest out.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this. Stay like this with your fingers, your fingers, your.
So I wanna do that today. I wanna,
Work on your posture.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. That sounds good.
you know.
Yeah, one thing at a time you improve.
And like my memory for the steps is, it's not really there, and I haven't practiced. But I'm learning. I
Yeah.
don't want the stress either, because
You don't have to.
I just can't.
That's it. Your body, the memory will get the body. Yeah.
That's my mistake.
Yeah.
Sei que o nosso caso não durou, o nosso inverno desmoronou. Culpa minha, culpa tua, não me interessa mais. Eu sei que não fui do teu olhar e tu me dás hoje me pegas a outro na nossa relação. Eu bebi o meu veneno, se tudo baixo e pequeno, tu chegaste ao extremo. Eu não sinto nada bem, hoje tu paga por outro alguém. Achaste que me traindo, resolveria essa situação. Mas eu penso que assim tá bem, então fica com esse alguém. Desejo de felicidade no fundo do meu coração. Eu saí com a deusa, era em ti que eu pensava. Ela que não citaste o nome, eu também. Que tu pensaste quando me entregaste? Tu traíste. Mas o que hoje me entregas a
Big party inside. 12 friends. We're all watching.
Eu não sinto nada estranho. Você tocada por outra mulher. Achaste que não é traído. Resolvidas assim tão
And forced to stay and forced discipline.
Yeah, no, it is. To have, and no, definitely, that's the thing too. But
You give in too, because
you have to.
I was very happy working. I never complained, I love my job.
No, well, yeah, if one thing you love your job and then you have a steady income, you have to at one point. Yeah,
I was always appreciative of
Yeah,
having a job, and other people have.
well, because I think it's perspective. Sometimes people, they don't have the opportunity or the love to do something they enjoy. So that's one thing when you have to spend like 40 hours plus in a place that you don't like.
You have
That
to
stuff.
make it, you have to enjoy it. You have to force yourself.
To
to
find
do
a
it.
way. Yeah.
I had to force myself. I
Yeah,
was
you did.
used to be on the road and selling.
Yeah,
and
that's
entertaining. I was
yes.
entertaining a lot of doctors.
That's
It
it.
was another level.
Yeah.
But I forced myself and said, no,
Yeah, some
there's no
things that
point in
you
arguing. Just do
Yeah.
your job. Don't do anybody else's. Don't try to.
No,
It's a very
exactly.
structured type of, in sales, you're sort of, everybody's helping each other, and then
Yeah, it's
and also
different.
the system, that's my job, like, don't touch, that's my
Yeah,
responsibility.
yeah, yeah.
Everybody's afraid to lose their jobs.
Yeah, of
So
course.
there's a little bit of,
Oh, I understand what you mean. It's not the same, but yes.
yeah, it's almost like, I have more seniority, so I know more.
Yeah.
It's all based on seniority, and stuff like
Okay.
that, and sometimes it's just not.
It's not as pleasant.
This is not the way it goes.
Yeah.
Real life a lot of times, but I was very fortunate. I spent 25 years.
Oh, okay, that's a good, yeah.
Yeah, in the hospital, yeah.
25 years.
Yeah,
Not bad.
20 as a pharmaceutical rep. I have my own company as well.
Oh, okay. So now, I think is that your phone?
Well, let's see.
Yeah.
It could be my friend one. Okay.
So we did the balancer like this in front of each other. Now I want to look at the one on the side. So we're like this at first. Now I want to go on the side, and you go right here. So if we look at that step, instead of
Just you only on the right side.
oh yeah, instead of going like this, like on a straight line, the first step we go diagonal here. We open like this, and then we do the balancer forward, back like this on the side. Yeah? So we look at it again. So the first 3 steps is 1, 2, 3. Yes, again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3.
I'm not honest, I just lost it.
Yeah, no problem. So 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah? So if I do it with you, so just you have an idea of what we're doing. So it's 1, 2, and 3 step forward. Step forward, but on the side here. Try to go here with that leg. 3. There you go. And then we do this and that on the side. Back, back, back.
Okay, it's not that I want to be difficult, that's the problem now.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I can do it. But doing this is the thing. So
Oh, no, you don't, you should not, that's not what we're doing. You're not crossing. I don't want you to cross.
Okay.
So the first step, you go like this, then you open this leg like this, you turn around. So you really open
Okay,
like this. So then when you're stepping, you're still stepping straight.
I move my foot. No.
And you don't, so the first step, we go like this, we go back, and then you open, you turn your body completely. You don't do this, you turn yourself in that direction. So we go, so the first step is 1, then you open, and then the forward back like this. It's not crossing, it's forward back. Yeah, like this. But don't cross, you don't have to cross. It's like the same move that we're doing when we're doing this. Yes, like this, exactly. Tap, tap. So don't do it yet. We're just doing this one forward back. So you go back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the same move, but instead of doing it facing here and with the partner in front of you, we're just on the side like this. So we just change direction, but it's exactly the same thing. It's back, 2, 3, 4, exactly, 5, 6, 7, 8. But to get to that position, we have to do a few steps. So we go back 1, then we open like this. But when we open, the foot changes direction, so the body turns like this. So we go again, let's move a little forward. So we do 1, open like this, exactly, and then you start the forward and the back. Tap, there you go, that's it. You can do small steps, they don't have to be big. So if we just try that move together to see what it's like, so it's gonna be 1, then you turn your body through 2, there you go. Tap.
Cool.
There you go. That's it. Pop, 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 and I go back in front of you, open, and we close. Like this. Yeah? So let's try again. So we're going to start with the simple one where we're in front of each other. Like this. Then we're going to change direction. We turn, there we go. Pop, you can make small steps, you don't have to go too far. Tap, and tap, and then I'm going to go back in front of you. Open, close. So the last part is when we're here. So we're on the side. On the side, so we did. Oh yeah, this is better.
Yeah, just because
Oh, okay. So we did 1, we open 2, then we do the forward, pop, 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 and then at the end we do back, we open, and then you close this one. Close, exactly. So these are the last steps. So if I do it with you, so we start with the simple one. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. We turn, 3, 4, 5, 6. We continue on the same way. Forward, back, so you don't, exactly, and then Mia come to you, and then we open and close. But close really, you put your foot, your heel down, exactly, like this. Nice. So let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Open, close. Nice. Yeah, there we go. All right. So we're gonna try that on music. Oh yeah. Do you want to drink anything?
No, I'm good.
You good? Okay. So we're gonna do another song working on the same move. Then I wanna take this one and do something else with it after, yeah?
Me dizes não, não dizem que eres forte assim. Fazes caretas quando sei que tu queres sorrir. Não queres fazer algo comigo sem razão. E só fazemos amor depois de uma discussão. Não, não, chegas juntos de vez em quando, se acha não. São coisas grandes feitas para o teu tom de pele.
example, there's a move that we're trying to do, and you feel that we didn't do it, you don't necessarily still try to do that same move, because maybe since we didn't do it, the lead may be trying to do something else. Yeah? So, let's do another dance.
When you say that, what do you mean by that?
Because,
like if
because this move earlier, we did this one, the new one, but it didn't work out. So instead of going out, maybe we started going like that. But when we noticed, oh, that's the one I want to go on the side. But me, I was trying to just go back to do something simple so we can reset.
yeah.
So that's what I mean.
So you sense that I'm
Yeah.
I got somewhere else for you.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. Nice. All right.
Black music. Yeah. I'll leave you. Let me sing, baby. You heard? Você não me pôs, achas que sou feio? Não sou empresário, sou
woman, they call. So it's the same start as this new one. So it's 1, 2, we open, 3, 4, and then 5 we close. Yeah? So if I try to do it with you. So instead, just to see how it feels like.
What did you say?
I know. So we do 1, the same on the side, 2. So this one, when we do the 1, sometimes we go straight back, but there's a difference in the signal when I do this, and then when I do this. Yes, exactly. When I do this, so I want you to go to the side, but the next move, so you can move, you have to open up that leg to have space to move forward. So you open this one, then, and you can go forward on the side. There we go. So let's try that again.
Is this new?
No, that's what we just did.
No, because you told me we were going to do something. Okay.
Yes, because the beginning of the move is the same as this one.
Okay.
It starts the same way.
Okay.
Yeah? So we go. 1, we open, 2, 3, but now we're gonna keep moving forward. 4 and 5 you close. But I don't know, you mentioned earlier about the crossing. What I want to know, doing this like on that side, is it hard? No, I mean, if you're here and you have to go there, is it hard for you to cross? Yeah, this is it.
I'm trying, I'm just going to.
But like a step forward, but not too much. You can do it.
Yeah, I can do it. There's some, I don't know which move, but there's some that there's absolutely no way.
Okay,
And it's
okay.
just because I sense.
Okay. So that move would be then, so you go 1, but 1 diagonal the first step back. 1, then you open 2, you go 3, then 4, you go back a little like this. You cross a little like this. 4, and then 5, you close. You have to close that one in. So we go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We go again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3. We cross 4. So if we're here at 3, when we cross, we put that leg in front like this. This one in front. Oh, okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, my head sometimes it just.
No, but it's okay. It's okay. So
It's hard to focus.
no, it's not. It's not easy. It's not easy. So we try a little bit like that, but then we try it together. Sometimes it's easier to get the idea.
Okay.
So 5, 6, 7, 8. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, and we close. There you go. We close. So let's try. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We do 1. You open. 2, 3. You move forward. 4. Sorry, you come towards me. 4. Yeah, that step. You have to step forward. 4, and then we close at 5. Yes. We try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3. Come towards me. 4. Yes. This one, you're going that way. I want you to come towards me. Exactly. 5, 6, 7, 2, 3. Towards me. 4, and then you close 5 together. Nice. That's the move. Yes, we're getting 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Very good. Now be careful because you did 1, 2, 3, and you did like this. I don't want you to turn the body completely. Just step a little bit towards me, but you still keep your body kind of straight. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. The 5 though, just be careful. Exactly. Together. Okay, you got it.
head sometimes makes things so complicated.
That's
before I was
everybody.
like, I don't even know what she said before. I don't remember. I'm so
No,
lost.
no,
But now
no.
I just, it
Yes.
just comes, right?
Yes, it does. It does, but it's true. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nice. So we're gonna try that on music. All right.
You heard me?
Oh, no, what did you say?
What?
What? Yes, yeah, that's the ultimate, the goal, yeah, the music. Let's try this one. I'm so sorry, Lisa. Give me a minute. I'll be right there, just a minute. Okay, we're back.
We're back.
We're back on. So, yes. we go 1, 2, 3, you move forward. The 4, yeah, but be careful, not too, it's okay, but it's not like this. You don't turn your body, you just step, but a little towards me. So instead of doing this, you're doing just this, but your body stays like that. No, don't turn like that, exactly. So let's try. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just that you went straight, that's better than going out. Now I want you to go a little bit here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4, that way, towards me. Towards me. 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, just a minute. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, then you open. 2, 3, you move forward. 4, you come towards me. 4 and 5, we close. Yes. So it's good. Just the 4, don't do this. You move towards me, but you keep your body kind of straight. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's much better. Super. Now, the thing, it's just the last step is 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5, you have to close it because you went 4 and 5, you were open like that. It's just that. But most of the time you do it like okay. So let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it, the 5 exactly. Because you did 1, 2, 3, 4, and you did 5 like this. When it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and close. But not like that, the close. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and close right over. There you go. Close. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and close.
I have a problem with number 5.
You don't. That's the thing. No, you don't. And it's really, you don't. So you don't need to think about that because when you were dancing, you were doing it right.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's no problem. I refuse. Yeah, so the thing I want to do, we're not thinking about the 5, it's just that this move that we did, 1, 2, 3, this one, okay, we can be doing it and then we decide that we keep going towards that other move, pa, and we close there. So just to tell you, we can do that move alone, but then we can do it from this one. We go forward, we go back, we go forward, we go back. You know what? Let's go all the way, pa, pa, close. Yeah? No? We'll find out. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and close. There you go. It's just that we could just not to expect too much what can happen. So from this one, we can go. We can go back like this, but from that same move, back, back, we can decide to go forward, back, and close like this. Yeah? So I'm going to try the different things. We stay open to the possibilities. Yeah.
I'm easy going, you know.
Yeah, no, I know. So let's see with this one online, yes.
só ilusões e eu procuro razões, mas o coração não quer sentir. Como será que eu sou cansada de dizer não, não? Não será que eu sou cansada de seguir o real na ficção? Mas eu só quero te ver. Sou online e até tenho medo que sejas falso. Tudo começou online. E só espero que sejas mesmo tu. Que sejas mesmo tu. Eu não sei se consigo deixar de pensar em ti. Assim, assim, já parece loucura. Meu olhar pensando em ti, em ti. Ou será? Sou eu que não sei.
That's funny because this is something we are like, but I remember that we other people who were working with this thing here, that's all. So I think it's like really nice to hear the song. It was,
Tudo começou online. Eu só espero que sejas mesmo tu, mesmo tu. Tudo começou online. E até tenho medo que sejas falso, falso, falso. O teu cheiro, a tua boca eu quero conhecer bem. O teu toque, o teu olhar eu quero sentir em mim. Eu quero sentir.
wow, very good. Hey, nice. So now, what I'm gonna do? Of course, yes, come with me. Come with me. Do you like ice?
No,
No? So we're gonna do the video. You're doing very good. Are you? Oh, yeah? Yeah? Okay. So it's definitely, it's not gonna be you. So you really 1 hour is really, it's really 1 hour.
yeah.
Yeah, it's really 1 hour.
Until it goes away, I think it's better, but sometimes right now I'm kind of reminded it's something.
Yeah. There we go. You don't want ice, and you said? Nice. No,
Is
you're
that standing better?
you're doing very good in general, yeah. And that's a good thing you're doing, you know, because some people sometimes when they dance, they say they don't like to look at themselves, but you have to. That's the problem.
Yeah.
You have to. And what you're doing is very good because you're looking at the things you like. Is this one? Yeah.
It's even smaller.
Okay, yeah, you're right. It's yes, a little, yeah, compared to the other side. Yeah.
And it kind of goes down. This move is.
Well, we're not doing this for now, so we good. Oh, thank you guys. We're gonna stay live on these ones. We're gonna do the video. What I was gonna say, yes. So you're doing. It's an amazing idea to go and actually look at yourself, so you can see. Not the question of you can see what you like, what you don't like, what you want to improve.
Yeah.
You mentioned, okay, I didn't like this, okay, I'm changing that. The posture, I didn't like this, I'm gonna work on that. And then you fix one little thing at a time.
Yeah.
That's the way to go. That's very, very good that you're doing this. Yeah. Yeah.
So my pace is good for learning?
Very good. Very good. Okay. So let's do that video on this one. Say you did one. Yes. All right. Hey, yes, super. Thank you so much, Janet. Thank you, guys. Yes.